Ceramic coating boosts your car's shine. Proper care keeps it looking great. Follow these simple steps. Begin with a high-pressure rinse to remove loose dirt and debris. Next, apply a thick foam layer, ensuring complete coverage to soften stubborn grime. Thoroughly wash each section with a dedicated microfiber wash mitt, employing the two-bucket method to prevent scratches. Pay special attention to intricate areas such as wheels, door jambs, and the undercarriage. Rinse off the foam with high-pressure water, ensuring no residue remains. After rinsing, use a professional-grade blower to dry the vehicle, eliminating all water droplets from the surface and crevices. Finally, gently wipe down the vehicle with a soft microfiber towel to ensure it is completely dry and spotless. Once the vehicle is completely dry, proceed with applying the ceramic spray coating. Spray the product evenly onto the vehicle's surface, then gently buff it with a clean microfiber towel. This coating will create a hydrophobic effect, enhance gloss, and provide an additional layer of protection against environmental contaminants. Schedule regular maintenance checkups. A quick refresh keeps the protection strong. Have questions or need a touch-up? We're here to help.